Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited for this video. I haven't filmed a makeup video in so long, and I'm just so excited to be in this chair filming with all my makeup around for you guys, or with you guys I should say. I'm just really in love with this type of look, and also the outfits are like really bomb. I'm just going to be showing you guys this look, and yeah, I'm super excited. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with eyebrows, and I'm going to use this powder here. This is called Femme Couture. I've had this since I was like in middle school, and I still have it. I just feel like powder makes the eyebrows look a little bit more natural. I'm going to try to do my eyebrows like to go up here. I'm going to try to conceal my tails. We'll see how it goes. So this is definitely the tricky part. I actually changed my mind, and I'm going to do my eyebrows just normal. I'm going to make them as skinny as possible though with my hairs, how my hairs are right now. So let me try to open this. So I'm going to take a little bit of that powder, and I'm just going to kind of work some of the product in the beginning part of my brow. What is that part called? I'm just gonna work this in. Obviously, you don't want to make this too dark. You want it to look, you know, kind of natural. Not really, but you want it to not look bad. So I'm just gonna kind of blend this out. And I have like sort of full eyebrows, so I feel like I don't need to put a lot of product on, but if you have more of a sparse like eyebrow, you definitely want to put some more on. I'm also taking this and putting it a little flared out. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of like flared out like that. We're going to try to make these as thin as possible. Zoom you guys in a little bit. You know, I liked to give you guys a closer view of what's going on. So now I'm going to take this concealer here. It's called the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Corrector, and I've been liking this stuff. You know, I've been using it for some months now, and I actually think it's quite nice. So I'm going to use this on my brows, and I'm later going to use it on my face with my foundation. And I'm going to take kind of like a flatter bristled brush like this, best for eyebrows, and I'm just going to try to do it as skinny as possible with a lot of attitude, you know, like I really miss filming for you guys. Like as far as makeup looks, I really missed doing them. I'm so happy to be like doing this video right now because I really did miss doing makeup looks. It's like one of my favorite things to do in life. So definitely had to come back and start again. I moved, so that's what made my videos a little bit more sparse lately, but definitely on the consistent train again. By the way, if you want to know how I got my nails, let me put this down. So these are already up. I'll put the link down below how to do these. It's just like smiley nails. And then these are Valentine's Day nails, and I will be posting these soon. So this is what my eyebrows look like so far. They're super thin. We want them thin as possible. I don't know why, we just want them like that. And I'm just gonna take this duo fiber brush, and I'm going to try to like blend this out, make it look a little better, because I know it looks like a hot mess right now. I'm taking that same concealer, and I'm going to put it all over my lid, and I'm just gonna try to like neutralize my lid so that it looks better with the eyeshadow. Perfect. So now I'm gonna put my Makeup Forever HD high definition palette. I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but if they do, this is just a sample kind. I got this from Sephora a while ago. So anyway, I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Now I'm going to try to draw the liner on my lid. I haven't done graphic liner in a while, so I'm going to just take my Ruby Kisses liquid liner. I got this from a beauty supply store like a couple months ago, and I'm going to try to put this, I'm going to try to draw my lid graphic liner. So I'm just going to basically like do a really dramatic wing, and then I'm going to carry it over to my lid here. And then later I'm going to do some work down here. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and make a line. And I'm going to take that line and go up. Alright, well, so I'm just going to continue with trying to make this a good line. So you want to just like make it as best as make it look best as possible with like your eye shape. Is kind of just create like a actual wing at this point. Like if I were to like regularly make a wing, just color all of this in. Color it in. And then I'm going to put a little line here in the inside. Alright, well that's the line. I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side. Okay, so done, but obviously this side looks a little bit more better. We'll see what we can do for this side. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Sleek makeup palette here. I'm just gonna use the black out of this because it has like one of the most blackest blacks I've ever used. And it's gonna be that black there in the palette. And I'm gonna take this and kind of like set the liner and then also kind of like create an ombre. So I'm just gonna do this. Now I'm going to take like a brown color to kind of blend this even further. Just going to take a brown and blend it like over here. So I have some lashes that look like this. Without the package, it looks like this. And I'm just gonna cut like half of it and put half of it on like one half of my eye. It's gonna kind of like make this part even more winged out. So I'm taking this glue here This is just Sassy Eyelash Glue. Honestly, I don't know. I just got this from Amazon. I just like picked up a random lash glue, so use whatever you want. I'm gonna try to apply these with the Okay, so I went ahead and put on both my lashes, and this is just kind of to continue the eye look. I'm not done obviously with the eye look, but we're gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm actually gonna take my Burt's Bees Goodness Glow Liquid Makeup Foundation. This is a little bit darker than my skin tone, and this is just going to start the contour process. And I like to do this because it just kind of starts the contour process. The contour to look a little bit more natural, and then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more foundation because I have found a little foundation on actually, and I'm just going to put a little bit more on. So now I'm taking my NARS, what is this? Medium Dark Foundation in Tahoe. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Still love this stuff, still adore it, still will always forever buy it. And just like around here, and yeah, that's about it. I guess we want like a cake face for this, so I'm actually now going to go ahead and contour, and I'm going to take the same contour and we're just going to make it super bright under our eyes. I bought this new beauty blender and I really love it because it's new, so I'm just going to take that and blend this out. Now I really love my Wet n Wild Mocha Glow contouring palette. I love this stuff still. I really love the yellow color here in the palette. I don't use the brown color as much, but the yellow color really does set my makeup perfectly. Now I definitely want to contour, but I don't feel like contouring with liquid, so I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild, the same palette. I'm actually going to take the brown color. I never use it, but I'm going to take it this time and contour my cheeks. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm actually going to go in with the black eyeshadow again. And this itty bitty brush, and I'm just going to create a line on the bottom of my lash. So I'm going to start here, and then I'm just going to take it in. Liner as well. Just pull it all the way through. Okay, so to make this pop a little bit, I'm going to take a little bit of a shimmery color. I've had this since I was like in middle school, no joke. Like this is like all about like middle school makeup, old makeup. It's just crazy. But I'm just going to take that like bluish color here. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and a little bit of the clear. And I'm going to kind of just like work that in the inner corner there. So I have this like LA Colors shimmering loose eyeshadow with a brush. And I got this from Dollar Tree actually, maybe like 2 years ago. And this is like perfect for the shimmer in my inner corner that I'm going for. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put that right in the inner corner. This is definitely going to give me like a shimmery look that I want. Just like brings the shimmer level to a higher level. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara just to blend my top lashes to my falsie. It's like a brown. Put this on. You want to highlight? I'm just going to take this Beauty Bar Baby highlighter in Indian Summer Highlight. And I got this from Etsy from this shop. And I don't know if she still sells them, but this is like the best highlighter that I have had. Put some here. Here. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you liked this. This is kind of like a quick, weird tutorial, but I really enjoy this look. But I really enjoyed filming for you guys, and I like this look. It's cool. It's different. It's definitely a look that you can wear like out. So it's like an alternative girl that you can wear out to like the mall or the club, you know what I mean? Although we're in like this pandemic type of thing, you know, some bars are open. I would wear this to the bar. But thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.